Hi guys. We're going to the fireworks. Remember the 5th of November. Yo, Guy Fawkes is dead. Yo.
Hi guys, so tonight we're going to the Bridge of Allan fireworks.
We're vlogging.
We're currently walking through the uni right now. As you can see, there's the swimming. Same.
Please.
Hi guys. So we're currently walking to the fireworks at Bridge of Allan. Hi. Neve's really excited.
I am. So excited. I love fireworks.
Hi. We're just waiting for the uni link, which has got our buddies on board.
Are you excited for the ABBA tribute band?
I'm trying to think of an ABBA pun really quickly.
No.
The winner takes it all.
No, I think they're just after our money.
Fucking hell. Gimme a firework to light.
God, stop doing that.
This ABBA revival band are the
OMG.
highest rated tribute band of 2018, and I really hope they give it everything they've got tonight, because it's just great to see.
What's your thoughts? Amazing. Oh, them fireworks are really
Hi.
This fire works really well. I love fireworks because they. Oh, that's beautiful.
wow.
Oh, maybe it's a drone, I think.
I would not be
That's a drone up there. I got it just at the right moment there. Welcome to Scotland. The place is on fire.
Wow, this fire works. Right?
They must be bright sparks.
This is a great show, man.
These fireworks are bang out of order.
Really lights up my world. That's pretty good.
Wait, I'm
Hey, it's me again. Hey guys, look how mad that is.
It's a bit burning.
You know, it's Kirsty's vlog shit.
Oh, shut up. So Neve, what did you think?
Great.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Fireworks, yeah.
Great. What did you think?
You're about to hit a lamppost.
Well, considering it was about £3, I have to say it was good altogether. We got about 17 minutes of fireworks. So,
Thank you for that.
Ah, sure, you know yourself.
Emer, what did you think?
Got my £4 worth, just a bit.
Thomas?
I'd pay 4 as well. Mad. Okay.